Welcome to my homeschool village. We are here to give you a little tour of some of the programs that we have inside our Homeschool Pro. We call it the all-in-one homeschool program. And let me show you one of the amazing things that we have inside my homeschool village. If you are a paid member, you have full access to this program. See it? Okay, guys, we love Generation Genius. I'm going to show you all the reasons why you also need to love Generation Genius, okay? If you are a part of my homeschool village, you get access to this program. Now, you cannot get access to this program if you are not part of a school or some sort of a large group that buys this in bulk. You have to buy these in large amounts of licenses, which is why you can't get it on your own. So if you want to see this, you want to be a part of this, you got to join my homeschool village. Generation Genius is an online program for science and math. It's STEM. It is the best program I have seen for science and math from 8th grade and under. Now, I actually have my 9th and 10th grader use it as well because there's things she needs to fill in some holes. So let me give you a little tour of what my Generation Genius is, okay? We're going to give you a login. It's our own login inside our group. If you are paying for this, you then get to go in here, you'll log in, you'll set up your account, you'll bookmark this tab, and your kids can find it. You're going to go to lessons right here. Once you're in this lesson, here we go. Now look, one click right here, and you either get science or math lesson, okay? Now, you don't have to worry about here. You're already getting full access, just so you know. It'll offer, like, you can come in and try out. You got our login. You're already in, okay? You don't have to pay for anything once you're in here. So we're going to start with the science. I'm going to walk you through a science lesson, and then I'll show you the math. So you're going to come in here. You've got grades K through 2, grades 3 through 5, and 6 through 8. You're welcome to start at the grade level of your child. You're also welcome to have them start at K, even if they're in 9th grade, because why not? There's nothing wrong with your children learning as a little, as they go, and even filling in some holes. They're short videos, so they can watch the video. Now, here's what the beauty of this is, okay? You can go in, generate a student link as the parent. You click this link, you push copy, you send it to your kid. Now, if you're inside my homeschool village, we actually have an online planner that you would copy and paste this in, and then your children just go into their daily assignments and they click on whatever you've assigned and they can get that done. But today we're just focusing on showing you what is in Generation Genius. We will do the homeschool manager, which is inside there as well, another day. So you would go in here, and if I want my child to do this lesson on their own, is this beautiful? On their own. Let's see, I'm going to show when they click on this link, they're going to get access to the lesson plan and teacher guide. I'm going to show the answers, the discussion questions. I just want them to do the video. I don't want them to do all this other stuff. I just want them on the video. Or I'm going to allow them to just go through and look around. And maybe I want to hide the assessments. Maybe I want them assessed. I have full control here. Okay, so you copy this link, send it to your kid, boom. They can do this, the rest of this on their own. Or they can come in here with you and you can tell them just start at the beginning, go through. Now, here's your summary. This is the best part. People forget to scroll down. Scroll down, you guys. Watch this. We have lesson materials. What you'll learn from the video so you can know exactly what's going on. By the way, you can just print this out if you have to report to the state on what your kids are learning. There you go. Discussion questions. You can go through this and talk about it. You can show this video in a co-op and then use these discussion questions if you're doing in group. This is for every grade level. After the video, before the video, we can ask these questions. After the video, we ask these questions. And if I don't know the answers myself, there's my answer. Okay, I'm going to go to the vocabulary. Here is a great spelling list. We're going to have, here's the vocabulary for the lesson. Look, what is a season? It's defined by, I could do the spelling word, the vocabulary, what it means, and I can do all of their spelling and vocab in here this way if you want. Now, this might be a little much for kindergartner, maybe not for a 3rd or 4th grader, depending on your child's reading level. So don't stress if you want to skip this. It's okay. You can download this as a PDF and just read through it. There's your lesson. If you need to take it with you or for whatever reason you want it printed out, or you can have it just read aloud to you. Okay. It can be read to them, which is great because it's showing the word. If you're working on reading, your reading is now done. You've got your vocab, your spelling, your reading, and your science all done already. So you can keep going down. Okay, so then we have a DIY activity. This one is an activity you can do. It will give you exactly what needs to be done. Okay. And then it will give you a material list. So we can go through this ahead of time and say, do we have everything we need? Do we need to go to the store? I already know. And then it gives me literally instructions and I can download them right here. If I need to download the instructions as a PDF and take them with me to the store, I can, or I can just go through this one at a time. Then we can go through and so it's got a full lesson in here. So then we have teacher resources. So if you want actually a lesson plan and a teacher guide, if you need something like that, you want to print it out, you can do that. And then we have an assessment. You don't have to do an assessment, but look at the multiple ways to do an assessment. You can do a Google form. So I can do a paper quiz. I can do just discussion questions, and I can even print out a little certificate that they got it done. I can do an online quiz. They have phones and we can do a live class online. So if you're doing it like as a co-op or a family, or you can do it solo at home. So you can do a quiz that way. You can do a PDF quiz. You can actually print this out and have them fill it out. Look, they're writing assignments. Done, writing for the day. And they can do it this way, depending on their reading levels. And then if they just want a exit ticket, name the 4 seasons in order. What are some clues of the fall? And then they can get their ticket. So it's a full-on lesson that you could literally do one lesson. If you did like a full thing and went through all of it all day long, you could make that your main thing for the day. You would get your reading, your writing, your science, your vocab, all of that done in one shot. Or you can just have your kid watch the video and be done. It's up to you. I will literally have this. So I have this on iPads, on my phone, so that if we are at a doctor's office, if we're running around in the car, if my kids need to be entertained for a minute technologically, I'm doing it this way so that they're actually being educated while they're being entertained. They can watch any video they want on here and life is good because I know that it's safe, it's secure, and it's very intelligent, or it's very educational. Okay, that's our science. So let's go back. You just go up here to the top, click math lessons. And now you've got math lessons and it's the same thing. Now, my favorite thing about what these guys do for math is they explain why a child needs these math concepts. I don't know how many of you are in public school and you'd be like, excuse me, teacher, why do I need to learn this? And the teacher would be like, shut up and listen. And sometimes they would explain. It depends on the teacher you had. This one has some excellent, excellent lessons. They can go in and learn. It teaches all the way up through 8th grade. Algebra, look at this. And it has all the math they're going to need. Let's go into one of these math lessons so you can see. Once again, there's your student link. Generate it, send it to your child. Let's look at, it's a 13-minute video on exactly what the volume is, lesson material, what you'll learn, discussion questions before and after the video, the vocabulary that goes along with the video, the reading material that goes along with all of the math, if you want it to be that way. Like if you don't like your kids on the computer, just print this stuff out. Practice word problems. I clicked on the PDF. You can print that out where they have to do the problems. Oh, sorry. Practice number problems. Here you go. They can do them right there. Teacher resources and your assessments again. Okay. So, and this is their assessment. Okay. So this is why we love Generation Genius. It will cover your math and your science for all of your children. And you could do 2 videos a day and cover most everything you needed. And then you could go in and supplement with your histories and your typing and all of that kind of thing. So if you have any questions, pop them in the chat for me. Let me know what questions you have about this. We just wanted to show you real quick what Generation Genius does. Any questions on Generation Genius? I wanted to come in and just give you that quick little introduction. I think it's important that you guys see what my homeschool village is all about. Yes, we help you homeschool. Yes, we give you solutions. Yes, we show you the realities of it, but we also give you the resources that you need to homeschool. So go in there, go check out my homeschool village. We are going to be running a special here in the next few weeks. I suggest you sign up soon. Our new website will be out very quickly and prices are changing. So if you want to get everything that we we have to offer, go in, sign up for My Homeschool Village right now. Get in there before the summer hits, because these are things that your kids can do during the summer. There's no reason to take off the whole summer. Your kids will have to do review. Put them on Just Generation Genius and let them just keep learning as you go. 30 minutes a day and their brains will keep moving, and you don't have a lot to do and they keep learning. So yeah, you're welcome. All right. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to help out in any way. In the meantime, you guys have a great week, and we will see you next week, where we will be going over the Homeschool Manager, how to organize all of this in one place. And we'll show you how to do that next week. I will see you then. Bye.